When I was in the corporate sector, once my boss and I sat down to discuss my KPIs. I saw a beautiful picture of his two kids and thought, does he even have time for them? That's when I realized that I had started climbing a ladder that I did not want to be on. Have you ever felt this way? Success to me looks like putting my son down for a nap and being there when he wakes up. It is me working and juggling between 1,000 different things with peace within. Success isn't being an expert. It isn't knowing every single next step, but realizing that I am standing at a starting line. Today could be the day I would look back on and say, I crossed this line and everything changed for me. Success is me starting at this line with confidence that I will lead an impactful, passionate life. Success is me making tiny changes every single day for a better version of myself. But do you know what? This definition doesn't matter. What matters is what success is to you. This is Harita Gujar speaking my way to success. Thank you for your time.